Hello and welcome to the INS News. In this segment, let's talk about Indian Railways and its achievements in terms of connectivity and infrastructure in Kashmir. Having commenced its operations in 2008, it has come a long way in all these years, connecting major parts of Kashmir to the main city Srinagar in Kashmir. In Kashmir division to the far-flung areas like Sangaldan and Khari in Jammu division. Passing through Banihal, as you can see in the visuals, people from all across the life avail its services as it stands the cheapest form of transportation in the country today, particularly in Kashmir. A patient from the hinterlands of Khari reached to better healthcare facilities in Srinagar. A student from as far-flung as Sangaldan reached to colleges in Kashmir, in Anantnag, in Srinagar, and in other towns in just an hour's commute. People from Kashmir and across the country will experience breathtaking landscapes, the snow-capped Himalayas, the mesmerizing valleys, and lush green plains of North Kashmir in just one travel. The train traverses through long tunnels of single tube, double tubes to reach to the beautiful stations on its way. What seemed impossible a couple of years ago is now a dream come to reality, awaiting its final touch of completion and groundbreaking inauguration of the final link between Srinagar and Delhi. A super-fast train covering a distance of 800 kilometers in just 13 hours' time would stop at stations like Ludhiana, Pathankot, Jammu, Katra, Banihal, Anantnag, and will arrive at the final station in Srinagar. From the relevant and credible sources within the railway department, the list of VIP trains that would travel from Jammu to Srinagar and vice versa would be Vande Bharat, Rajdhani Express, Shri Shakti, along with Vistadome. And the first sleeper from New Delhi to Srinagar is the Vande Bharat train that is the super-fast train on this route. It would be a game changer for the people of Kashmir, as the Himalayan part of the road link from Srinagar to Jammu remains closed for days and even for weeks in winters due to heavy snowfall and torrential rains, causing landslides in major parts of the Pir Panjal. The roads would be closed and sometimes the accidents would occur that would amount to loss of lives as well. Credit goes to the central government for fast-tracking its completion. The amount of infrastructure that has been developed in the railways is very commendable.
तो शायद अच्छा मफाद और अच्छा फायदा रहेगा। हाईवे में कभी पसियां, कभी पत्थर, कभी बारिश, कभी कुछ, तो गाड़ी नहीं चल पाती थी, बड़ी मुसीबत और परेशानी आती थी। अगर ट्रेन चल जाएगी तो ये सब परेशानियां और मुसीबतें दूर हो जाएगी।
कभी जाम में रहते थे, किसी भी हमें कोई ना कोई मुश्किल उठानी पड़ती थी। तो जैसे हमारे यहाँ प्रोजेक्ट लाइन का काम चला, यहाँ ट्रेन पहुंचेगी, हम चंद घंटों में श्रीनगर जा सकते हैं, घूम के आ सकते हैं वहां से। जैसे हमें यहाँ से जम्मू जाना है, हम दिन में हम यहाँ से जम्मू।
The project awaits its final inauguration on the link between Srinagar and New Delhi. That's planned on 26 January. That's on the next Republic Day. And it indeed would be a great Republic Day gift for the people of Kashmir from the central government, especially the Indian Railways.